Hey folks, today we're going to show you how to install the whole cowl assembly into the car. This is the area that we're talking about. Stick around. Alright, just to recap. We removed this one. We cleaned it, we painted, and it looks good. Then we put it aside and now collected dust. So we just need to mop it and it should be good to go. That piece basically sits over here as well. We also cleaned it, sanded it, and painted it. So it looks nice and dandy. We just need to put it back again. This is the filter or whatever it is that basically sits over here somewhere, somehow, like this, like so. We need to clean it, obviously, and get it ready to get back. And this is the rubber gasket or rubber seal that basically sits over here. I just need to wash it. And also, these are the front screen washer flipper thingy. Now you can see that I've sanded it because what happened is I painted it. For some reason the paint reacted. Maybe I didn't prep the surface properly, maybe I didn't sand it properly. Bottom line, I'm repainting it. So I've sanded some. I'm gonna continue sanding just to make sure that all the areas are clean. Hit it with some primer, then after that black, and we're good to go. These are the old windscreen washer thingy, and they're old and you can clearly tell they're moldy. So we've got creatures going on with this one. I bought a brand new set. I'll show you how it looks like. It's on eBay. I got it on eBay. So just Google in eBay Honda Prelude 89 and you'll find tons of them. So it's not going to be that much of an expensive thing. I think it cost me like 30 bucks, 35 bucks, something like that. Anyways, so wash this one, wash that filter thingy, mop this one just to make sure clean, then continue sanding these and paint them. Then after that we start the assembly. This Coles bag contains all the nuts, bolts, plastic trims, things, whatever, that I got them out, and now I put them over here. Now I removed them God knows how long ago, but I put them all here, so whatever that I need to install, they're in the bag. I just need to basically figure them out. That's it. Easy. Check this bad boy. We're going with the satin black, but look at this beautiful attachment. So you just hook it up onto it and it becomes like a spray gun, basically. See? Isn't that just awesome? Mist at first, let it sit, then after that you increase it. See? Man, it's easy. See how easy it is? There you go. Let it dry just a bit. Then go thicker and you'll be good to go. Sweet. And there it is. Drying up. Looking good. Yeah. See, it's those little details that actually count. Now, I know we've done it before, but dare I say, now it's done better. Alright, this one, white, washed, washed. See how it looks now? Clean. So you can just simply install it. Now we're gonna go into the process of installing into that drama. Alright, installation phase. This one is cleaned, mind you, this one spins. So this is the filter, where if there's debris and something falls over here, it just filters and to ensure that nothing goes down and clog up the drain plug, which is somewhere here. Yeah, this is it. Can you see it? This is it. Yeah. Anyways, back to business. This piece, see how it looks? You see? These are where the screws gonna be bolting on, and they're gonna bolt on over here. So I need to basically put this one inside. This one needs to go inside. And once it goes inside, that allows me to put that plastic piece over here. So let me just attempt and put it inside for you guys first, because it requires 2 hands. And once you put that in, then you'll be able to put the seal, you'll be able to screw and put all the clips and everything. But one step at a time, this is the first step, it needs to get in. So with an angle, and just push it inside. Cool. See how it sits? Lined up. See, with the holes and everything. Now, if I'm gonna just open it up just so that you can see, I didn't put the filter or the plastic thingy, but let me just show you something. I want you to see something, because this plastic thing has a plastic from the bottom or frame. If you look all the way to the back, you see this one? Yeah, this basically needs to go before this metal thing. It needs to sit there. Now that gives me this space. I can put that plastic thing and screw it over here into the spot. Then after that, I can move on to the next phase. Makes sense? All right, check it out. See, I'm gonna open this one. There it is. Properly installed and clipped in. Trust me, do not force it. It will sit in the right spot. So you've got nothing to worry about. And this is how it's basically closed. Now I can easily say the inside part is completely in, and all what I need to do is just use the screws that I have and just screw them in place, and that puts it in place. But before I do that, I think I need to put the seal, the rubber seal that sits over here, which shouldn't be that hard. It's just basically line it up and you'll be good to go. Easy. All right, progress report. See, screws, 4 screws in each corner, installed. The gasket installed, and see. And if you look from over here, you'll be able to see the end of it. FYI, if you don't have one of those, I strongly suggest you get one. It's a generic multi-universal, basically, and you can use basically this one or this one. Yeah, well, actually, this is the one that I've been using. It worked fine. See, even for these ones. So basically, it's a 2-piece. So it has that plastic pin to it, and this one. See that hole? You just line it up and put it inside the hole. Then you put the pin. Bam, and it ain't moving. See, I can't even move it, and it looks OEM as well. So, because most likely whatever you've got when you moved it, you broke them, most likely. Anyways, 2 in each side, and the gasket over here is firmly installed, ain't going nowhere, and the screws. Now, all what we need to do is basically put that metal thingy, which basically covers up this area, and after that, put the wipers, and you're pretty much set. Looking good. Coming to this one. This metal thingy sits exactly like that on top of that piece. Remember, we had some plastic parts or rubber parts, we removed them. So this one basically sits over here, and this one, if you look at it from the back, this in all technicality sits somewhere like this. Like if you look at it, you can clearly tell the holes. So you've got 2 holes over here and the other over there. So this basically means It's somewhere like potentially, I don't know, it's either this side or that side. Let's just bring the other one just so that we can compare it. Ah yeah, see how we've got two in here and the rest, so it's like this, basically like this. So you need to install this one like this and install the other one on the other side. I'm gonna just put super glue over here because it's a plastic and they've used glue before, so glue it and put it over there. Same for this one. Then after that, we'll be able to take this one and put it over there. Now, if you look at it in the back, it has clips. Those clips basically sit on their respectful spot. Basically there. And as it sits, it covers up this whole area. And it looks nice. Check it out. And yes, it looks shiny. So this is the metal piece that I told you about, and it's properly installed with all the rubbers and everything. And you will notice that I've got this gasket on top. So what is this? Just a normal double edge point. It's basically it has an adhesive to it, and this is how it looks on the other side. Actually, I've got this piece. See? So, you get that one. Use the heat gun. Heat it up until it's warm so that the glue from the back basically becomes warm. Clean the surface, then apply it. See? And I applied it over here. Because think about it this way. Rain hits here, it's gonna come down or come down, so this area needs to be fully protected. And there you go, properly installed. Then after that, with the bumper and trim restorer or something, probably you can use something like that, auto glue. See? It's a gel and it smells nice. And look at it. Properly installed. Now all what we need to do, there you go. These are the bolts for windshield wiper. And that's it. And there it is, dry and ready. See, some reflection under the black. Boy, it looks nice. And the other one as well. So now we can just simply install them. And after that, we're good to go pretty much. Easy. Last but not least, this is the old one. And you'll notice there are two different sizes, which is true. You've got 119 and 120. The 20 is the driver's side and the 19 is the passenger side. Look at the new ones that I got. Just give me a sec. So let's just compare, because I installed the 21. The 20, it's already installed. So let's compare. This is the 19. Old. New. Look how fancy this one looks. Well, let me show you how it's gonna sit. See, it's already installed over here. Look at it. Fancy. And mind you, once you install it and all, you just need to remove this to protect the blade basically. It's fairly easy, so you just need to twist it. You see, this is the locking mechanism. This is the lock, and this is how you release it basically. There it is. So once you put it in, you just need to lock it in, and you are good to go basically. That's it. Let's put the other one. And voila. Look how shiny. Got the blades, first one, second one, and they're adjusted accordingly. Man, it looks nice. Easy installation, and what a transformation. I'll keep the protector, see that one, I'll keep it on just because I'm not using it now, so I'll just keep it on it. Once everything is sorted out, then at that point we'll be able to. Anywho, one small step for the Prelude, one major step for humanity, I guess. If you like what you see, stick around to the next episode, and until I see you next time, yalla.